pictures on the left.
No.
Where did they get their energy? Circle the correct answer
Where does the boy
on the
get
right.
his energy from? Food,
Tap
batteries,
the
or
green
the sunlight?
check button once you're done.
Okay, what about flowers? Electricity, sunlight, or...
Candy? Literally?
What about a toy robot? Battery? What about a fridge? Good job.
Wow, you've really got a hang of it.
Oh my God.
You're doing good, honey.
The frog will only hop on the bigger stones. Draw a line through the bigger stones so the frog can find its path to the lily pad. Tap the green check button once you're done.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, we're stuck.
And you can't jump around it, so you didn't go the right one.
Let's try that again.
Okay, let's try it
Because
again.
I actually made a little mistake. 1, 2, 3. Let's see if that's correct.
Yay! You did so well, sweetheart.
Listen. Play with me in the Kids Academy app and learn about math, reading, writing, and more. Scan the QR code or use the link in the description. Let's have fun!